In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to install an eSIM on an Android device running Android 13. Before starting the install, it's important that you have a strong internet connection, ideally from a Wi-Fi network or a good 4G connection, an eSIM compatible device, a device that is network unlocked. Now to install your eSIM. Go to your device settings, tap Connections, then open SIM Manager and tap Add eSIM. When prompted, tap Scan QR code from service provider and then scan the QR code provided. Tap Add. Then allow up to 10 minutes for the eSIM to activate and then tap Done. Once installed, you will see your eSIM register on a network. It's now time to configure your eSIM settings. Leave calls and messages set to your original primary SIM. Tap Mobile Data, select the recently installed eSIM and then tap Change. Your eSIM is now installed and configured. To be able to use your eSIM, you also need to enable data roaming. Go to your device settings, then Connections, and then tap Mobile Networks. Now ensure the data roaming toggle is set to On. Your eSIM is now set up and ready to go.
Emtel, feel free.